Hello, it's LaShell, founder and designer of Created by La. Today we are going to be creating a puffy coat. This was actually the very first puffy coat that I ever made back in 2021. I have so much content and video footage of me designing things, and honestly, halfway through the process I get discouraged and I don't feel like I'm doing well with my content creating, so I end up not finishing. And actually that's what happened with this video here. You will see me cut my pieces, basically the construction of the shell of the coat as well as the interior. This is not necessarily a tutorial, however, I have included kind of guides on what I'm doing from moment to moment. I will be giving you a part 2 next week, and I'll show you how I took a hoodie and made it into a puffy coat, and there I'll also show you how to finish the coat. The pattern that I'm using today is actually a pattern that I made out of tracing a jacket. That video is already up and you can find a link in the description. I'm grateful for YouTube University. As I was making my coat, I did refer to other designers and creators on YouTube who have made coats or jackets, and one video was very helpful, so I will link it in the description as well, so you can check her video out and all of her things as well, because she got some fire stuff. At the end of the video you will see the finished product of this coat. This jacket was actually for my best friend. He had asked me to make a jacket and he believed in me, so I did the thing for him. I'm not going to be speaking throughout this whole video. I'm still trying to decide if I like to do voiceovers or if it's better for me to just put music and kind of type out everything that I'm doing. I know for myself, when I'm watching videos, sometimes the person speaking can be a little bit annoying and obnoxious, so I end up putting the video on mute, and I'm not trying to get on y'all nerves. So enjoy the music, enjoy watching me sew. Don't forget to come back for part 2, and don't forget to be uniquely you. Bye.
Don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door? Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking together, cause we don't know how. Just don't get it if there's nothing at all. We've been together, oh, we've been together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved. It's what they say is then what makes, then what makes, then what makes, then what makes, then what makes love exception. So why, oh, why, oh, why, oh, why,
you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more, I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I'm so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. The right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick, right amount of slapping me up. Think that I'm going to fit. Right amount of love, play, right amount of talking to me. Oh, yeah, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, my body. Feel that you do know. We'll never fall out of love with you. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss. Baby, I'm trusting you, I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life, you. I'm trusting